It's a remix and I'm coming with that bow, bow, bow. Pretty bitch, I'm tryna hit her with that bow, bow, bow. Can't catch me slipping, I'ma up it when I bow, bow, bow. And bitches dance, I throw them bands and make them dance, nigga.
I hate my ex, hope you fall down the stairs and you break your neck. Get fired from your job, end up homeless. Hope your new relationship ends over a text. I hope you step on a tack and you stub your toe.
Hey y'all, what is going on? It is your girl Shay. If this is your first time coming to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. The subscribe button is down below. Just tap it, as well as the bell that's right next to it, to all, so you can be notified every time your girl uploads a video. Today's video is brought to you in part by Duvolle or Duvolle.
Wow.
I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm sorry, but today we are reviewing their curling iron. This was sent to me complimentary. I must put that out there. Complimentary for review for you guys, so you guys know all about their product and how it works on my natural hair. So if you are interested in knowing how to curl wand your natural hair with a curling wand, make sure you stay tuned. And again, must reiterate, this was sent to me for review. I did not pay for this, but I want to send a thank you to Duvolle. I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name, but thank you for sending me this product for review, and I hope you guys like what you see. So without further ado, let's get into this review. Alright, so I have got the 32-inch barrel. This is, actually this says 20, no, it's 32. 32-inch barrel wand, curling wand. It is made with professional tourmaline barrel. It's infrared heat technology, ergonomic comfort grip with the dual voltage for world travel, and it has a 360 swivel cord. So it says the Desire Series curling wand is a stylish magenta curling wand that is our best kept secret. Our wand can help you achieve numerous hair curls from classic twists to beachy waves. It heats to maximum heat in 30 seconds for those spontaneous nights out, and it also protects your hair while sealing your cuticles to banish frizz and flyaways. So we about to test it out on my natural hair. I washed it and blow dried it, so it is now blow dried. I feel like it's best to have blow dried hair when doing this, or straightened, relaxed hair, natural hair, any kind of hair you can use to curl wand your hair. So this is my hair. Post pregnancy, post delivery. This is my hair. So let's go with unpackaging. This is how it came. It came in a box. This is the name of the brand. So, and it is a slide open box. And it is magenta, as it states, with the 360 swivel cord. And it also came with a glove. So if you're clumsy like me, this glove will come in handy. And it also gives you a pamphlet to tell you all about safety, user maintenance, storage, and to keep away from water, of course. But yeah, so let's get into starting. We're going to see if it really plugs up and heats up in 30 seconds. I want to see how hot it gets.
这一次我真的睡着了。
So y'all, this is the final results for my curling wand from Duvolle, the 32mm barrel wand. And this is my results on my natural hair. I really do love it. Look at that hair bump on the top. Yes. All I had to do was wash, blow dry my hair, and I did straighten it like 2 days ago, so it was pre-straightened, but not by much because it is hot where I live. So I really do like it. The only things I do have to say is the fact that the glove is supposed to be a one size fit all, but it's kind of too big for my hand, which made it hard to wrap the curls around because I was still scared. I was still scared that I was gonna burn my hand. And that thing is hot, y'all. It's hot. Like, I can feel the heat through the glove. So don't think the glove gonna save you if you're sitting there for a long time holding your curling together. So Duvolle. I don't know. I'm sorry if I mispronounced your name, but I did work with them before. If you want to see my last video that I did have of them, it would be up in the cards up above, so make sure you tap that if y'all interested. It is my daily facial skin routine, so if you are into skin routines like that talking about, let me know, or just click the video and go check that video out. Overall, I like it. The curls are staying, they're not dropping. I did comb out the curls with a big tooth comb, so get y'all one of these so you can comb out y'all curls. And yeah, I think I might want to try it on a synthetic wig and see how that act up. But this is how it looks on natural hair. So I love you guys. Don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.
It's a remix and I'm coming with that bow, bow, bow. Pretty bitch, I'm tryna hit her with that bow, bow.